Directors unnara. Good evening to all of you. I welcome the Finance Department officials and all the collectors. I'm going to talk to you on a fairly solemn issue, and the issue is about the proposed problems which are happening with the employees and their sense of grievance. I would just like to tell you a few things and what you could do in this. The first is that employment, which all of you know, but I am sort of repeating. Employment is a status, and it is not a contract between government and the employees and officers concerned. Now, we will uphold this status, all of us do, and I'm sure the employees will also do. You have to understand that they are part of the family. And as a family member, we do not want to belittle them as they also don't want to belittle us. So let us treat them with great respect and ensure that as part of family we don't belittle them. Now, once employment is a status and not a contract, there are some necessary conduct which is associated with such a status, and it is sort of encapsulated in what we call the conduct rules of the early 60s. Now, the conduct which is expected from all the employees is that every employee shall devote and maintain absolute what we call integrity, discipline, impartiality, and a sense of propriety. And expressly, this conduct sort of prohibits civil servants from behaving in a manner which is unbecoming of the employer or derogatory to the prestige of the government, in a manner that will place their official position under any kind of embarrassment. So now it also says that we and they cannot be part of any association whose activities or objects are prejudicial to maintenance of public order. And naturally, one cannot participate in a strike or any similar activities, or in any way incite such an activity, such as absence from duty or work without permission, any demonstration like hunger fasts, etc., and concerted, organized refusal on the part of government employees to receive their pay and participate in any demonstration which is against public order. Now, these are the conducts which are expected of all of us, and again I say they are part of the family, so such a conduct, I am sure all of you will agree, is also expected from them. And these are the sorts of conduct we agree to abide, we espouse, we exhibit, we propagate, and we show. Now, employees are not labor, because labor is not protected under Article 311. And so, what it shows that labor laws apply to labor, not Article 311, and we have the great security and safety of Article 311. And the Honorable Supreme Court has said this in many cases. And on the question of status, once again I come back. The hallmark of a status is the attachment to a legal relationships of rights and duties imposed by the public law, and not a mere agreement between parties, which also includes the emoluments of employees. Yet, we are a family. We talk, we converse, we settle our differences internally. We don't go out, and we consider one another's welfare as well as public's welfare. One could say, do they have a fundamental right? The Supreme Court has said no. Do they have a legal and statutory right? No. Do they have a moral and equitable justification? No. This is all the Supreme Court has held in many cases. Now again, no family member would like to do this, whether the employees or us. And even though they're all government employees, a part and parcel of the governing body, and convey a sense of duty to the society. There is a machinery provided for redressal of the grievances, and imagine a strike and the chaos it will lead to. Think of the effect on students just coming out of COVID who want to go back to their schools. Think of all the patients in the third wave of the COVID. Think of the businesses which are just coming out. Think of the people who want to move around, the pilgrims. All this in the aftermath of the COVID. Imagine the disaster which would befall our state if we go on this, I would call it a self-destructive path for both officers and employees. So my request to all collectors is, please talk to them. Convey the message, we are a family. We are governed by a status. Society gives us a status. We don't have a contractual relationship between the two of us. All of us enjoy a status in society. Society looks up to us. And tell them all of us are governed by a set of, we have signed a covenant, that there is a conduct we have to sort of abide by. And please talk to them. Tell them to come back. Lot of things can be settled by talks. Lot of things can be settled by conversation. Let us talk to one another. Let us not take stands which sort of propel us on this self-destructive path. So I would request all the collectors and the joint collectors, if they are there, collectors particularly, talk to the employees, convince them, tell them the government is with them, and we don't want our intention, whether known, unknown, seen, unseen, was never to harm them. We want to work together. Ultimately, it is state's progress, the economy bounces, everything bounces back, and it's good times for all. They have issues, definitely they have issues, that is why they are so hurt. Tell them we can talk to on those issues, but unless we talk, we'll not know what are the issues. Any talk means that we negotiate and we move forward. So my request to all the collectors is, please talk to those employers, unions who are there. There are several unions. Talk to them, let them come back. Let them understand that it is a status they enjoy. It is not a government contract with anybody. Everybody looks upon them to have a conduct. Everybody looks upon them to deliver what the society has given them that status for. So this is what I want to tell you. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Anything, Shamsher, from your side, or Shashi? You are mute, Shamsher. Please unmute. Huh. Yes, please.
Yes,
Please continue. Please continue.
So, good evening, sir. Sir, as you have rightly pointed out, sir, all the legal aspects regarding the conditions, service, etc. So, basically, there is no right to go on strike and cause difficulty to the citizens. Our side, sir, we have taken a series of measures. You are very well aware regarding the PRC and the fitment and the benefits which are actually not contemplated, but Honorable Chief Minister has been kind enough regarding extension of age and plots and so many other series of measures, including 5D and DR for the benefit of employees. As you have rightly pointed, sir, the collectors should engage and talk to all the concerned in the districts and see that the citizens of the states are not put to undue hardship. Sir, from the finance department side, sir, with the assistance of the collectors, sir, substantial progress has been made in uploading of the fixation of pay and also generation of pay slips. And we are taking all the necessary steps for ensuring that the payment of the salaries, pensions, and all the other benefits to organized workers, ASHA workers, VRAs, home guards, and all pensioners, it takes place as per the procedure and in time, sir. We are also ensuring that the pay slips of all the employees and pensioners is also sent to them, and they can see that the salary details, and they can see the benefits they have got through the PRC, sir. So we are taking all the necessary steps for ensuring that this happens, sir.
Finance team and all the collectors, once again I enjoin upon you to communicate to them, talk to them. You have a lot of goodwill capital. Use this capital now to engage with the employees. Tell them, take your salary, even, I mean, any salary taken, if there's anything, any change which can always be adjusted next month. I mean, this is not cast in stone. So once again, all the employees, I request all of them, please come and talk to us and let us work together. Whatever grievances, issues, points of view you have, we can talk and we'll move ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
మీరు చూస్తున్నారు iDream న్యూస్ని.
Please subscribe
iDreams.
For more videos,
subscribe iDream. Please subscribe for more videos.
iDream. iDream.
For more videos,
Subscribe iDream. Please subscribe.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ iDream ఛానల్.
Do subscribe iDream.
iDream ఛానల్ని
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Do watch iDream.